Find or read reviews that people are talking about FUYAGLOW Android Auto Wireless Adapter. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi dual mode, stable and efficient. FUYAGLOW Wireless Adapter for Android Auto utilizes advanced Bluetooth 5.3 and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi dual connection technology for rapid Bluetooth pairing and automatic Wi-Fi linking. Bluetooth handles initial connection, while Wi-Fi ensures stable data transmission. Bluetooth Android Auto stable connection, no lag navigation, music streaming, and call handling. User-friendly. Using the Bluetooth Android Auto adapter is extremely easy. Begin by inserting the Android Auto adapter into the car's USB-A or USB-C port, which powers the device. The dongle light is blue. Then turn on the phone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi at the same time, click Pairing Bluetooth, click Allow, and use Android Auto. And within moments, start using Android Auto without any hassle. Elevated driving experience. With this wireless Android Auto car adapter, via Google Assistant, your car's touch screen, buttons, or knobs to access all Android features on your car's screen. Use navigation apps like Google Maps for accurate directions, stream music from popular apps such as Spotify or YouTube Music, manage calls, and even read and reply to messages. Keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. Our wireless Android Auto enhances driving safety and reduces distractions. Universal compatibility, Android exclusive. This Android Auto wireless adapter is designed for Android. The Android Auto adapter works flawlessly with all Android devices running Android 11 and above versions. The Bluetooth Android Auto adapter converts a wired Android Auto into a wireless Android Auto. Android Auto dongle compatible with vehicles supporting wired Android Auto and vehicles manufactured in 2016 and later. Compatible with Samsung, Google, OnePlus phones and more brand. Drive in safely and smarter. The Android Auto Bluetooth adapter eliminates the clutter and hassle of tangled or damaged cables. Enjoy a cleaner, more organized cabin. Whether commuting or road tripping, let music and navigation enrich your journey, not your cables. Our wireless adapter for Android Auto is your perfect travel companion, blending convenience with safety. Make every trip enjoyable and secure. Use the FUYAGLOW wireless Android Auto dongle to redefine your driving experience. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.